Is your text getting lost in the background of your design? A simple drop shadow can fix that instantly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add and customize the text shadow effect in Canva to make your words pop. Let's get started. First, open your design and click on the text box you want to edit. Once the text is selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the button that says Effects. A menu will open on the left side of your screen. Under the Style section, find and click on Shadow. You'll instantly see a default shadow appear behind your text. Now let's tweak it to look perfect. You have 5 main controls here. Offset, this changes how far the shadow is from the text. Drag it right for a floating effect, or left to keep it tight. Direction, this moves the shadow around the text like a clock hand. Blur, this is important. Drag it right for a soft, realistic shadow, or keep it at 0 for a sharp retro look. Finally, you have transparency and color. I usually set transparency to around 40 or 50, and I always make sure the shadow color contrasts well with my background. Usually black or dark gray works best. And just like that, your text is much easier to read. If you want to remove the shadow later, just go back to the Effects menu and click Nones. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy design tips. See you in the next one.